In the vast expanse of the military aviation market, one aircraft has emerged as a beacon of innovation and promise, challenging the status quo with its cutting-edge design and unparalleled capabilities. Enter the Embraer C-390 Millennium, a marvel of engineering that has captured the imagination of nations worldwide. With recent triumphs in the Netherlands and Portugal, this medium-sized military transport aircraft stands poised to revolutionize the industry. But what sets it apart from its formidable counterpart, the C-130J Super Hercules? Join us on a journey through the skies as we delve into the heart of this captivating narrative, exploring the triumphs, trials, and transformative potential of the C-390 Millennium. In the dynamic realm of military aviation, the Embraer C-390 Millennium has emerged as a beacon of innovation and excellence. With recent triumphs igniting interest and enthusiasm in the Netherlands and Portugal, this medium-sized military transport aircraft has captured the attention of nations across the globe. Its success is not merely a testament to its sleek design and advanced technology but also to the strategic vision of its creators at Embraer, a Brazilian aerospace giant renowned for its commitment to excellence. As we embark on this exploration of the C-390 Millennium, it is imperative to contextualize its significance within the landscape of military transport aircraft. Standing as its principal rival is the formidable C-130J Super Hercules, a stalwart of the skies revered for its reliability and versatility. The comparison between these two aircraft forms the crux of our inquiry, as we seek to unravel the mysteries of their respective strengths and weaknesses. To truly appreciate the significance of the C-390 Millennium, we must journey back in time to a bygone era marked by fierce competition between the C-160 Transall and the C-130 Hercules. In this historical context, we find echoes of the present-day rivalry between the C-390 Millennium and the C-130J Super Hercules, underscoring the enduring nature of competition in the military aviation industry. By drawing parallels with this storied past, we gain invaluable insights into the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for the C-390 Millennium. The genesis of the C-390 Millennium can be traced back to the fertile grounds of innovation at Embraer. In 2005, the company embarked on a bold study to explore the feasibility of a new transport aircraft, leveraging the wing and General Electric CF34 turbofan engine of the successful Embraer 190. However, it wasn't until a year later that the project took a definitive military direction, with Embraer initiating the design of a tactical transport aircraft comparable in size to the renowned C-130 Hercules. In 2007, the project was unveiled to the world under the name C-390, signaling Embraer's ambitious foray into the military transport aircraft market. Embraer's meticulous approach to design and development laid the foundation for the C-390 Millennium's success. The company meticulously evaluated various engine options, ultimately selecting the IEV-2500 as the powerplant for its exceptional performance and reliability. The development process saw collaboration with international partners, with countries like Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Czechia, and Portugal joining the project and contributing their expertise to various components of the aircraft. This collaborative effort not only enhanced the aircraft's capabilities but also fostered goodwill and cooperation among participating nations. At the heart of the C-390 Millennium's prowess lies its twin IEV-2500E5 turbofan engines, generating a formidable thrust of 139.4 kilonewtons each. This powerplant endows the aircraft with remarkable performance, allowing it to achieve a top speed of 988 km per hour and a service ceiling of 11,000 meters, ensuring unparalleled agility and versatility in a variety of operational scenarios. One of the standout features of the C-390 Millennium is its impressive cargo capacity and versatility. With a cargo bay measuring 18.5 meters in length, 3.45 meters in width, and 2.95 meters in height, the aircraft boasts a maximum load capacity of 26 tons. This spacious interior can accommodate a wide range of payloads, including armored vehicles, helicopters, troops, and medical supplies, making it an indispensable asset for military logistics and humanitarian missions alike. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and technology, the C-390 Millennium sets a new standard for situational awareness and cockpit functionality. The commercial standard cockpit avionics, featuring the Rockwell Collins ProLine Fusee suite, provide pilots with intuitive controls and comprehensive data displays, ensuring smooth and efficient operation in all conditions. Additionally, advanced features such as head-up displays and night vision compatibility enhance operational effectiveness and safety, allowing for precise navigation and mission execution. The C-390 Millennium's in-flight refueling capabilities further expand its operational reach and endurance, enabling extended missions and strategic flexibility. Equipped with the 912E fuel delivering system produced by Cobham plc, the aircraft can refuel other aircraft in flight through wing-mounted probes and drogue pods, delivering up to 1,500 liters of fuel per minute at speeds ranging from 220 to 560 kilometers per hour. In an ever-evolving threat environment, the C-390 Millennium prioritizes the safety and security of its crew and cargo with advanced defensive systems. Utilizing radar and missile warning receivers, chaff and flare dispensers produced by Elbit Systems, the aircraft enhances survivability in hostile environments, providing essential protection against airborne threats. This comprehensive suite of defensive measures ensures mission success in the face of adversity, reinforcing the C-390 Millennium's status as a reliable and resilient military transport aircraft. The realization of the C-390 Millennium project was made possible through strategic funding and initial orders from key stakeholders. In 2008, the Brazilian government committed to funding the project, signaling its confidence in Embraer's vision and capabilities. This financial support paved the way for the development and production of 2 prototypes, with the potential for additional orders to follow. Furthermore, initial orders from the Brazilian Air Force underscored the aircraft's domestic relevance and set the stage for its global expansion. Embraer's commitment to collaboration and partnership extended beyond its borders, with several international partners and subcontractors playing integral roles in the C-390 Millennium project. Countries such as Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Czechia, and Portugal joined forces with Brazil to contribute their expertise and resources to various aspects of the aircraft's development and production. Additionally, foreign subcontractors, including Aero Vodacity, OGMA, Fábrica Argentina de Aviões, Rockwell Collins, and BAE Systems, were enlisted to provide specialized components and systems, further enhancing the aircraft's capabilities and global appeal. The culmination of years of meticulous development and testing, the C-390 Millennium achieved a significant milestone with its certification and entry into service. Following an extensive testing phase that spanned nearly a decade, the aircraft received Brazilian civil type certification in 2018, paving the way for its commercialization and widespread adoption. Subsequently, the Brazilian Air Force welcomed the first mass-produced C-390 Millennium into its service in 2019, marking the beginning of a new era in military aviation. With its certification and entry into service, the C-390 Millennium solidified its position as a formidable contender in the global military transport aircraft market, poised to meet the evolving needs of defense forces around the world. The market potential for the C-390 Millennium is vast, with a growing list of orders and potential customers from around the world. Countries such as Brazil, Hungary, the Netherlands, and Portugal have already placed orders for the aircraft, demonstrating their confidence in its capabilities and versatility. Additionally, Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Czechia, Peru, and the United Arab Emirates have expressed interest in acquiring the C-390 Millennium, further expanding its reach and market penetration. with its ability to fulfill a wide range of mission requirements, from tactical airlift to aerial refueling and humanitarian assistance. The C-390 Millennium appeals to a diverse array of defense forces and government agencies seeking reliable and cost-effective transport solutions. As the global military transport aircraft market continues to evolve, the C-390 Millennium stands poised to capitalize on emerging opportunities and challenges. With a robust pipeline of orders and growing interest from potential customers, the aircraft is well positioned to secure its foothold in key markets and expand its presence on the world stage. Moreover, ongoing advancements in technology and operational requirements are likely to drive demand for versatile and adaptable transport solutions like the C-390 Millennium, further fueling its growth and market potential. However, the competitive landscape remains dynamic and unpredictable, with rival manufacturers and geopolitical factors shaping market dynamics and future prospects. Nonetheless, with its proven performance, innovative design, and strategic partnerships, the C-390 Millennium is primed for success in the global military transport aircraft market, poised to redefine the standards of excellence and reliability in the years to come. The comparison between the C-390 Millennium and the C-130J Super Hercules highlights several key differences and advantages of each aircraft. On one hand, the C-390 Millennium offers a lower unit cost, making it a more cost-effective option for military transport needs. Its higher cargo capacity also provides greater flexibility in transporting personnel, equipment, and vehicles, enhancing operational efficiency for military missions. Moreover, the C-390 Millennium boasts a faster speed, enabling swift deployment and response in critical situations. Conversely, the C-130J Super Hercules holds its own advantages, particularly in terms of range, global support services, and political backing from the United States. With its longer range capabilities, the C-130J Super Hercules can cover greater distances without refueling, making it well suited for long-range missions and deployments. Additionally, its extensive global support network ensures reliable maintenance and logistical support, contributing to its operational readiness and effectiveness. Furthermore, the political backing from the United States lends credibility and assurance to the C-130J Super Hercules, bolstering its appeal to potential customers. While both aircraft offer distinct advantages, the choice between the C-390 Millennium and the C-130J Super Hercules ultimately depends on the specific requirements and priorities of military forces. The C-390 Millennium's affordability, higher cargo capacity, and faster speed may appeal to nations seeking cost-effective and versatile transport solutions for a wide range of missions. Conversely, the C-130J Super Hercules' longer range, global support services, and political backing may sway those prioritizing extensive operational reach and established support infrastructure. Ultimately, the comparison underscores the importance of considering various factors and trade-offs in selecting the most suitable military transport aircraft for specific mission needs. Despite its promising outlook, the C-390 Millennium faces a myriad of economic and geopolitical challenges that could impact its future trajectory. Economic fluctuations and budget constraints in key markets may hinder procurement decisions and delay orders, affecting production schedules and revenue projections for Embraer. Moreover, geopolitical tensions and shifting alliances could influence customer preferences and procurement strategies, potentially altering the competitive landscape and market dynamics. Navigating these complex economic and geopolitical considerations will require foresight, agility, and strategic foresight on the part of Embraer and its partners to capitalize on emerging opportunities and mitigate potential risks. The outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic has cast a shadow of uncertainty over the global aerospace industry, posing significant challenges for manufacturers like Embraer and their supply chains. Supply chain disruptions, production delays, and reduced demand for air travel have compelled governments and defense forces to reevaluate their procurement priorities and allocate resources judiciously. Additionally, financial austerity measures implemented in response to the economic downturn may impact defense budgets and procurement programs, potentially affecting orders and deliveries of the C-390 Millennium. Despite these challenges, the pandemic has also underscored the critical role of military transport aircraft in supporting humanitarian missions and crisis response efforts, presenting new opportunities for the C-390 Millennium to demonstrate its value and resilience in times of crisis. Embraer's cooperation with Boeing on the C-390 Millennium represented a strategic opportunity to leverage Boeing's global reach and resources to enhance the aircraft's market competitiveness and support its international expansion. However, the termination of the joint venture in 2020 has raised questions about the future of this partnership and its implications for the C-390 Millennium program. While the dissolution of the joint venture may present challenges in terms of marketing and sales support, it also affords Embraer greater autonomy and flexibility to pursue alternative partnerships and strategic alliances to promote the aircraft's success. Moving forward, Embraer will need to carefully evaluate its options and forge new partnerships to capitalize on the C-390 Millennium's potential and maintain its competitive edge in the global military transport aircraft market. In conclusion, the Embraer C-390 Millennium represents a significant advancement in the field of military transport aircraft, offering unparalleled performance, versatility, and reliability. From its inception to its certification and entry into service, the C-390 Millennium has overcome numerous challenges and emerged as a formidable contender in the global market. With its advanced technology, collaborative partnerships, and strategic vision, the aircraft stands poised to meet the evolving needs of defense forces worldwide, setting new standards of excellence and innovation in the industry. Embraer's visionary approach to aircraft design and development has been instrumental in the success of the C-390 Millennium program. By leveraging its expertise, resources, and strategic partnerships, the company has created a game-changing aircraft that embodies the spirit of innovation and excellence. With a clear vision for the future and a commitment to delivering superior performance and value, Embraer is well positioned to capitalize on the C-390 Millennium's potential and achieve unprecedented success in the global military transport aircraft market. With that said, we thank you for joining us for this in-depth exploration of the Embraer C-390 Millennium. If you found this video informative and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more great aviation content. Your support helps us continue to bring you insightful analyses and comprehensive coverage of the latest developments in the aerospace industry. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.